Hello and welcome to the Twin Snakes Club, the Bond collection. I'm Sam and this is the collection. Well, today we're jumping into my favourite Bond. He was my guy. I went to the cinema. I'm 15 years old. Croydon Cinema, Licence to Kill. Fantastic. Timothy Dalton. Still my top 5 Bond films. Anyway, let's go to his debut. This isn't part of it. It shouldn't be there. Hang on. Let's get rid of that. What have we got? We've got the keyring and we've got the opera glasses. Now we'll come to the keyring in a second. Let's look at the opera glasses. Now, what do? He just pops them out, doesn't he? When he goes to meet Saunders. Not a fancy dressed ball, 007. Isn't it? Right, anyway. He pops these out, has a look at Cara. Lovely. Girl with the cello. Wonderful. Anyway, again, an eBay search. These are absolutely everywhere. All over the place. Why is it tricky to find the one? Well, you've got this kind of leatherette pattern on here. And the brand, TASCO, Japan. That's what it says. When you get the close-up, you can see that. TASCO. Some pictures, it might be like that. Anyway, you can find these with different labels, different makes. Obviously, one company made them and 100 different people sold them. Again, it was an eBay search. A lot of people get these. They make little boxes for them. A bit of 007 branding on it. And they charge you £25–30 upwards for it. Search, patience, search. I found one. Again, I couldn't have paid more than £10 for these. Surely not. Anyway, again, useful. If you're out and you're going to the opera or you're going somewhere, the races, perhaps, pop this in your pocket, and when you pull it out, if you're with Bond fans, they'll get a little kick out of it. So anyway, let's put the Living Daylights, little bins in the red case. Now let's look at the Keyfinder. Now, if you've seen the Philips promo version that came out, if you see one on eBay and you've got 500 quid about 5 years ago, yeah, you can get one. I saw one signed by Desmond Llewellyn go for a ridiculously cheap price on eBay. Whoever got that is an absolute genius, a little champion. Anyway, they're tricky things. This 3D print. So I went on Shapeways online, ordered it in black. It got to me. I put some little paint on it. What I can do, if someone out there is very clever, they can go on Photoshop, create a little sticker with a screen, put that on, drill these out, put some little LEDs in, that sort of thing. Have I got the time to do that? I just give it a little paint blips here and there. I did manage to find a keyring like that style on eBay. Again, vintage keyring search, bang, found it. So you can put together a nice little key finder. Beep, 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 beep. All right, okay. I won't do that again, I promise. Anyway, let's put that down there with my Living Daylights bits in the red case. And I'll see you next time on the Twin Snakes Club Bond collection. Bye-bye.